Channels like this are generating tens of millions of views every single week using incredibly simple characters. These videos are basically just stick figure slideshows, and lately, this format has been getting an insane number of views. There is no complicated editing, and there are not even any video clips. It is just simple stick figures, static images, and a good voiceover. In this video, I am going to show you how to create videos like these in just a few minutes without paying for a bunch of different subscriptions. You will not even need ChatGPT or Claude. You will not have to search for complicated prompts or figure out how to generate dozens or even hundreds of images for a single video. I will also show you how to create high-quality, realistic voiceovers without spending hundreds of dollars on a service like 11 Labs. We are going to complete the entire workflow using just one website. Let us go through it step by step. First, we need a title. We will simply copy the title of one of the competitors' videos and go to Prime Tools. By the way, there is a free plan available, so you can test everything yourself without paying a single dollar. Open the first tool, called Titler. It will create a new title based on the competitor's example. The title will stay in the same niche and follow a similar approach, but the final result will be unique. We simply paste the original title here and click Generate. Our new title is ready in just a few seconds. We can copy it and move on to writing the script. Our main goal is to keep viewers watching for as long as possible. We will use the second tool, called Story Maker. Open it, fill in these 3 fields, choose the script length, and it will create a complete script in our niche based on a competitor's video with a similar style and structure, but fully adapted to our new title. In the first field, we paste the title we just generated. In the second field, we enter the name of our channel. In the third field, we simply paste a reference link. The tool will analyze the video. Their videos are usually around 8 minutes long, so let us choose approximately 8,000 characters and click Generate. Our script is now ready. We can read it, review it, copy it, or download it. Now we need to turn it into a realistic voiceover like the one used on this channel. The voiceover tool on this website is very good. We simply paste our script here and choose the language. It supports languages from all around the world. We can also choose a voice. There are more than 20,000 voices available. We can even create a clone of our own voice. For this example, I will choose one of the available voices.
A woman tasted her grandmother's secret recipe cookies.
And click Generate. Now we need to create all of the images. How can we generate so many images quickly, avoid strict limits, and keep the same character and visual style throughout the entire video? For that, we will open Imager. The custom mode is the best option for this type of content because it allows us to upload a character reference, add a style reference, paste our prompts, and generate the full batch of images. But where do we get all of those prompts? As I promised, we are not going to use ChatGPT. Instead, we open the slicer tool, paste our script here, and choose how many prompts we want to create. For this quick test, let us create 30 prompts. Click here, and everything is ready. We can copy all of the prompts at once. Now we return to custom mode. First, we need to upload a reference image of our character. We can simply take a screenshot of the character in a clear, useful pose. Even something as simple as this will work. We also need a visual style reference. We can take another screenshot showing the style of the competitor's images. We upload the character reference here and the style reference here. That is all we need. Now we can submit all 30 prompts and generate the full batch of images. Let us start the generation with one click. Now all of our images are ready. They use the character we selected, follow the visual style we chose, and match the different parts of our script. We can download the entire batch with one button, and all of the files will already be numbered from 1 to 30 in the correct order. At this point, we basically have everything we need. We have the voiceover and all of the images. The only thing left is to combine them in an editor, such as CapCut. CapCut is simple, free, and beginner-friendly. But before uploading, we still need strong tags and a good description, so our video has a better chance of appearing next to this channel and other similar videos in the recommendations. For that, we open the SEO tool. It will help us create the description and tags. We paste our video title here and enter our channel name here so it can be included naturally in the description. Then we click Generate. Now we have a complete set of relevant tags designed for this topic, along with a ready-to-use video description. We can copy everything with one click, but one of the most important parts is still left, the thumbnail. We need a strong thumbnail similar to the ones used by this channel. To create it, we open the final tool called Previewer. We paste our video title here so the tool can understand the topic and niche. Then we upload our character and a thumbnail style reference. We can simply download one of the competitor's thumbnails, for example this one, and add a very short prompt. It can be just a few words describing the idea we want to show. I will type something simple and click Generate. A few seconds later, our thumbnail is ready. So in the end, we now have a complete workflow for creating videos like these in just a few minutes using a single website. You can use the platform to create content in many different niches. Thanks for watching. The link is in the description.